Did you know that 80% of the time you spend working right now is basically wasted? Just think about that for a second. The digging, the formatting, the endless cross-referencing, it's all about to vanish. Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into some breaking, literal, paradigm-shifting news because Google has just unleashed its most massive, high-stakes productivity update to date. Look, if you rely on digital tools to do research, study, or run a business, you absolutely need to pay close attention. The workflows you're using right now, they are officially obsolete. And honestly, if you ignore this shift, you are going to be left in the dust by competitors who don't.
Right now, traditional AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude are everywhere, right? But if you've ever actually tried to ask them to manage a complex multi-step project, you know exactly how frustrating it gets. They start hallucinating, they completely lose context, or they just spit out a generic, unhelpful wall of text. So Google decided to engineer a completely different approach from the ground up. What we're looking at here is a system designed to act way less like a digital encyclopedia and entirely like an executive chief of staff. An AI that can take a single, simple sentence and flawlessly execute an entire multi-day project on your behalf.
Let's paint a picture of exactly what that looks like in the real world. Normally, if you decide you want to launch, say, a consulting firm, that means weeks of stressful market research, pulling your hair out over disorganized spreadsheets, and struggling to build a cohesive slide deck. But imagine typing just 6 words into an AI. I want to start a business. You step away to grab a coffee, and by the time you sit back down, the system has autonomously gathered market research, organized a competitive analysis, mapped out study notes, and generated a board-ready presentation. The manual labor? It's just gone.
Now, this introduces a massive conflict in how people are actually going to use this tech. Most casual users are going to mistakenly treat this new update as just another traditional chatbot. But if you treat this like a simple search box to answer trivia questions, you are completely missing out on a massive competitive edge. Imagine 2 employees. One is using AI to quickly spell check an email, while the other is using this new system to autonomously research, analyze, and map out an entire quarter's product launch from start to finish. The gap in their daily output is going to be astronomical. So, to facilitate this massive leap in capability, we are seeing a full evolution. The experimental tool you might know as NotebookLM is officially graduating and becoming Gemini Notebook. And this isn't just a simple rebrand or a fresh coat of paint. Google is transforming this into a dedicated, enterprise-grade AI workspace. Why? Well, because complex, multimodal tasks require a lockdown, specialized environment. And crucially for professionals, Google has seriously beefed up the security architecture. Your private documents are completely ring-fenced. That means they are never used to train public AI models. You get the power of total automation, but with complete peace of mind. We are breaking down an exclusive report on an incredibly ambitious overhaul dropping in 2026. And this isn't just a list of random tweaks. These are 15 core pillars of total workflow automation that will fundamentally shift your daily routine. We're talking about completely rewiring how you study, how you work, create content, and research. This is the blueprint for the very future of productivity, and we are going to unpack exactly how these monumental shifts will replace the most tedious parts of your job.
Let's talk about blank page syndrome. It is the absolute hardest part of any major project. Let's say you're tasked with researching a competitor's completely new marketing strategy. You have literally no idea where to start. But instead of spending 4 hours manually searching and drowning in dozens of browser tabs, you simply give the AI your end goal. So the system instantly acts as your seasoned research assistant. It scours the web and presents highly relevant, curated sources for your specific topic. You just approve the sources you trust and boom, your rock-solid research foundation is built instantly.
This automation gets even more extreme for professionals dealing with heavy data, like marketing analysts or finance managers. Let's say you upload a massive spreadsheet with 10,000 rows of sales data. Normal AI just tries to guess the math, which, as we know, often leads to dangerous hallucinations. But Gemini Notebook utilizes a secure, built-in Python workspace to run real, verifiable computations. So you can ask it to calculate month-over-month trends, spot unusual spending anomalies, or project future revenue, and it actually runs the code to give you mathematically proven answers without you ever writing a single script.
Historically, knowledge work has suffered from a massive bottleneck. Think about it, we spend about 80% of our time just gathering and organizing information, leaving only 20% to actually create the final product. But this new ecosystem entirely reverses that ratio. Once the heavy lifting of gathering trusted research and crunching the data is handled, the AI doesn't just hand you a pile of messy notes. It instantly pivots into an execution engine, taking all that approved context and automatically building your final deliverables for you.
Let's break down those deliverables because the stakes here are very real. Imagine a project manager who suddenly gets called into an unexpected board meeting. This system will take their project data and instantly generate boardroom-ready presentation slides. Or consider a struggling medical student who's just drowning in dense anatomy textbooks. Instead of passively reading for hours, the AI automatically generates custom, interactive flashcards and quizzes from their exact syllabus to actively test their retention. The system builds the outputs, freeing you up to focus entirely on your strategy and delivery.
We all know the absolute dread of being handed a 100-page PDF right before a crucial meeting. Reading it takes hours, but if you just skim it, you are inevitably going to miss a critical detail that could cost you a deal or a grade. So Google is solving this by changing the medium entirely. Gemini Notebook is taking the concept of personalized learning and turning dense, boring text into next-level interactive multimedia experiences tailored specifically to how your brain prefers to digest information.
You now have two incredibly dynamic ways to consume your own data. First up, audio overviews. You can take hundreds of pages of dry financial reports and have the AI turn them into an engaging, conversational audio file that you can listen to during your morning commute. Second, they are rolling out video overviews. If you upload a highly complex engineering diagram, the AI will actually generate fully narrated video slides, complete with charts, walking you step by step through exactly how it works. It is literally like having an expert tutor in your pocket. Now, when you are deep into a massive project with hundreds of sources, your brain eventually hits cognitive overload. You get lost in the weeds and completely lose sight of the big picture. But this update actively solves that psychological barrier by instantly generating interactive mind maps. It takes your sprawling, chaotic ideas and visually maps out the precise relationships between every single concept. This visual structuring ensures you immediately see how different data points connect, making it infinitely easier to master complex topics without feeling overwhelmed. The ultimate quality of life upgrade here has to be the ecosystem sync. The single most frustrating part of using massive AI tools today is version control. You update a source document in your Google Docs, but your AI is still referencing yesterday's outdated version. It's maddening. So Google engineered a live continuous drive sync. If you tweak a spreadsheet or edit a brief in your drive, your AI workspace automatically updates in real time. Your digital brain is perpetually accurate, making this a completely unified workspace where brainstorming and final outputs happen without ever needing to switch apps. AI as a complete productivity companion, not just a conversation tool. Guys, that is the fundamental, monumental philosophical shift driving this entire update. We absolutely have to stop thinking of AI as a basic calculator that just answers isolated questions. We are officially entering an era where the AI is a high-level companion, a digital chief of staff. You are the executive providing the vision and making the critical decisions, while the AI is your entire staff doing all the tedious legwork from the very first vague idea to the final polished presentation.
This update truly represents a breaking point in how we interact with technology. It's moving us from manual operators to high-level directors of our own workflows. So, here's the multi-million-dollar question. Will this massive leap in automation completely replace the need for junior analysts and entry-level researchers, or will it simply make all of us 10 times faster and more capable? Let's debate this down in the comments below. Drop your thoughts on which capability blew your mind the most. Thanks for joining me to unpack this game-changing news on The Explainer, and I'll catch you next time.